Mid-range Android phones have become truly impressive over the past few years. They might not always match the sheer power of high-end models from Samsung, Google or Apple, but the incredible value they offer make you seriously question if spending more is really worth it. Well, one brand that's been making waves in this segment is Xiaomi's sub-brand POCO. Their phones not only look great but also pack a punch in terms of performance, proving you don't have to break the bank to get a fantastic smartphone. This is the Xiaomi's POCO X6 Pro. The POCO X6 Pro really shines in some areas like its performance and display, though it has a few minor shortcomings too. Marketed as a premium gaming phone, the POCO X6 Pro might surprise you with its simplicity. Its outstanding battery life and rapid charging make it a reliable companion, while its ultra-smooth performance can handle the most demanding games with ease. This budget-friendly option not only caters to your basic mobile needs, but also has the potential to become a fan favorite. And what's great is Aliexpress is having a massive sale and you can snag the POCO X6 Pro at an unbelievably low price. If you didn't know already, Aliexpress is a huge shopping platform known for its fast delivery and millions of budget-friendly products, with discounts of up to 70% off. Even better though, the Aliexpress summer sale is on now, offering even more incredible deals. With these exclusive discount codes, you can save even more on the POCO X6 Pro and a ton of other items too, so be sure to check out the product in the link in the description. So with that said, is the X6 Pro really worth the asking price? And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. Unboxing the X6 Pro, and it is quite a nice experience. It arrives in a sleek black and yellow cardboard box that immediately catches your eye. Inside we get a soft silicone protective case to keep your phone nice and safe, a powerful 67-watt charger, and a USB A to C cable for all your charging and data transfer needs. The X6 Pro sports this familiar oversized camera rectangle on the back, its distinctive part of the blocky sharp-edged POCO aesthetic. The Pro model adds a touch of elegance with gently curved rear edges, making a bit more of a refined look compared to the flat X6 previously. One notable upgrade is the Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the X6 Pro's display, replacing the X6 Victus protection. The matte plastic frame and plastic rear panel are consistent with the standard models, and it comes in three eye-catching colours: black, yellow and grey. I do like the overall design of this phone, however the back is a magnet for smudges. Just really isn't nice, so you really need to utilise that case. With an IP54 rating, it offers decent dust and water protection, though it lags behind the submersion grade of IP67 or IP68 ratings of some of the competitors on the market. However, it's still capable of handling heavy splashes and a bit of rain here and there. Now on the front, the 6.6-inch OLED display is the star, framed by impressively thin bezels that give it a rather premium feel. The punch-hole selfie camera is centered at the top, and there's a neatly chiseled section for the earpiece above the display. The display is nothing short of impressive and certainly one of its main selling points. It is incredibly bright with an output of 1800 nits, so you can easily use it in direct sunlight. Being an AMOLED panel, it delivers stunning deep black levels and supports the DCI P3 wide color gamut for accurate and vibrant colors. The refresh rate is adaptable between 60 and 120 Hz. This means everything looks smooth and fluid while scrolling or gaming, but it can automatically drop to 60 Hz on static pages to save battery life. If you're into gaming, you'll be thrilled with the touch sampling rate. It's 480 Hz by default, but it can be boosted to an astonishing 2160 Hz, using the phone's built-in Game Turbo mode for an ultra-responsive experience. And we'll get to that a bit later on. The in-display fingerprint reader located towards the bottom of the screen worked really well for me. My only minor gripe about this is I wish it was positioned a bit higher for easy access, but it is something you get used to quite quickly. And to be honest, it operates ultra fast. From putting your finger on to actually unlocking, well, it is pretty impressive for this price point. Now, if you're hunting for a phone that's all about photography, the POCO X6 Pro might not be your top pick. That said, it still does a decent job. It captures a nice mix of range and detail, making it suitable for landscape, close-ups of your friends or pets, and even the occasional selfie. However, the cameras aren't the main selling point. For instance, it struggles a bit in low light and tends to give photos a slightly warmer tone than what we're used to seeing in real life. But unless you're specifically seeking a phone that doubles as a high-end camera, you'll find it more than adequate. The cameras aren't too bad, in fact they're quite good for everyday needs, but anything more than that, I'd probably give this one a miss. The X6 Pro isn't just another mid-range smartphone, it stands out with its MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset. With this, we get a remarkable score of 1,465,265 points on Antutu V10. When it comes to web browsing, the POCO X6 Pro is exceptionally fast for its price range, loading even large websites quickly and smoothly. Gaming on the X6 Pro is a delight too. Current titles like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty can be run on maximum settings, with 60 frames per second offering Ultra HDR Ultra graphics and a 90 frames per second mode at the lowest smooth detail level. Even demanding titles like Genshin Impact run at 60 frames per second on the highest detail settings. After about 20 minutes of gameplay, the phone gets a bit warm but never uncomfortably, and the frame rate stays stable. In terms of delivering a performance for gaming, this thing is a top choice for anyone looking for a powerful mid-range smartphone. It delivers everything in terms of multitasking and gaming as a whole. The X6 Pro packs a powerhouse 5000 mAh battery and a hyper-fast charger, taking you from 0 to 100 in under 50 minutes. Once fully charged, the battery life can stretch for several days. That depends on usage though. For those who travel frequently and use their phone mainly for messages, calls, and their occasional photos, you can expect a solid 2 to 3 days before needing to recharge. If your usage is lighter, the battery can last for a few weeks. For the average consumer and most users, even with a mix of daily activities and some gaming, you'll get through the day comfortably. Now, all in all, if you love gaming on your phone, need the basics done well, and aren't too concerned with every little detail like the camera, the POCO X6 Pro is an obvious choice. It's extremely affordable, making it a must-consider option given its excellent display, ultra-smooth performance, and impressive specs. It can handle almost anything you throw at it, and with its great battery life and fast charging, it is built to last. And as mentioned earlier, the Aliexpress summer sale is on now, offering even more incredible deals. So be sure to check out the link in the description and use those discount codes for even more money off. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.